association has the power to amend its articles of association constitution in in the mode prescribed, right? So you need to have this stuff in your association documents. Like, okay, if we want to make an amendment, how many do we have to have for a vote? Who has to bring up the amendment? It can it be brought up at a regular meeting or does it have to be a special meeting? These are all the different things. Um, Ordinarily, and this is also important here, that ordinarily the bylaws of an association may be amended or repealed at any time at the will of its members. So, again, if your bylaws are written that hey, any member can bring up a motion to change said bylaws, then you have that in there. If it's maybe the member can bring it up to the trustees and then the trustees vote on whether it needs to be done or not, or the president, vice president, however you're going to, whatever you're going to call yourselves, then that might be another way of doing it. Again, provided that the amendment is not unreasonable or oppressive. And they have court cases in here that's cited. Let's see if this